A no-bake dessert that tastes like a lemon mousse, but takes minutes. I dissolve the lemon gelatin in about 10 fluid ounces of boiling water. Once it's fully melted, I let it cool down to room temperature. When it's cool, I whip the heavy cream until stiff pegs. Stay with me. This one tiny timing trick keeps it fluffy, not runny. I slowly pour in the cooled gelatin and whip just until everything is smooth. Then I pour it into dessert glasses or small bowls and tap them to level the top. If you like quick, light desserts, hit subscribe so you don't lose this recipe. Into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. I finish with a few lemon slices on top. And it's done. Airy lemon mousse cups, perfect after dinner. Thanks for cooking with me. Leave a like and come back for more fast recipes.